Hello everyone and welcome back to Jules Math Tools. This is part 1 of my session on how to calculate angles on a straight line. In this video, we're looking at straight line angles when we have only one angle and a variable involved. So if you want to see how to calculate your angles on a straight line, make sure that you stay tuned. In our first example, we're calculating the measure of our unknown angle y. And in this example, you must always start with writing your equation to remind you that your angle y plus 145 degrees will sum to 180 degrees. And remember that the reason these two angles sum to 180 degrees is because your straight line angle measures exactly 180 degrees. So these two angles, which are angles on a straight line, are limited or confined to that measurement of degrees. So my angle y plus 145 degrees will sum to 180 degrees. So to find my angle y, all I'm going to do now is subtract my 145 degrees from 180 degrees. And the remaining measure that's left over will be the measure of my angle y. So 0 can subtract 5, we're going to borrow from 8, making it 7, and 10 subtract 5 will equal to 5. 7 subtract 4 will equal to 3, and 1 subtract 1 is equal to 0. So the measure of my angle y is equal to 35 degrees. Let's try another example. Feel free at this point to pause the video, calculate the measure of your angle Q, and then when you're ready you can unpause the video and follow along with me to see if I got the exact same answer that you did. So we're going to begin again by writing out our equation where 73 degrees plus Q is equal to 180 degrees. Now we're simply going to subtract our 73 degrees from our 180 degrees. 0 can subtract 3, so we're going to borrow from 8, making it 7. Taking our 1 to our 0, making it 10, and 10 subtract 3 is equal to 7. 7 subtract 7 is equal to 0, and 1 subtract nothing will equal to 1. So my angle Q is equal to 107 degrees. And if you're wondering, there is a way that you can check your answer. Remember, to check your answer, all you simply have to do is apply your rules for substitution and replace your angle Q with the answer that you got, which is 107 degrees. So that means that whenever you add 107 degrees plus your 73 degrees, these should add up to 180 degrees. So 7 plus 3 is equal to 0. We're going to carry the 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. And we're going to bring down our 1. So we can see that by checking our answer and adding these two numbers together, they do sum to 180 degrees, which tells us the measure that we have for angle Q is correct. Okay, so there you have it. We just calculated the measure of our unknown angle when we're using our angles on a straight line. Remember that it's very simple to calculate this angle. Once you remember that your angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees, all you would have to do is just subtract the angle that is given to you from 180 and you just solved your equation. And it's just that easy. So until next time, this is Jules Math Tools, where math is made easy.